Drones are a potent air threat vehicle when the anti-drone weaponry is not there with the defender. When Russia launches a pencil missile against a $100 drone, it cannot down it. But if it launches a $100 anti-drone system, it can drown the drone. So the point is that Pakistan has come up with a large number of drones. Now the question arises that this drone power, which has emerged, drones have emerged over a period of time as a potent air threat vehicle. Our government, our MOD woke up long before. They said this is the threat which we have to be very, very careful. Now, what is the as a USP? They say, what is the USP of a drone? Why the conventional big air defense weapons like S-400 or Akash or some cannot take on the drones effectively? Drones are small birds. I call them in my writings as little monsters. There is something called the radar cross section. What is radar cross section? Radar cross section is the measure of visibility of an object to a radar. I will not go into the technical definition. If your RCS is big, you will be visible to a radar. If your RCS is small, you will not be visible to a conventional radar. Now, conventional aircraft like F-16, like J-10, JF-17, they have a RCS of 1 to 3 square meter. Okay, maybe more, 5. But drones, small drones, 0.01 to 0.03 square meter. So these little birds come in, they cannot be identified by own radar, conventional radar. Now in missile systems and radar systems, if you cannot identify a radar, if you identify a target, you cannot launch the guided missiles onto it. Therefore, what is required to kill it? Now, what is required to kill it is a specific sensors. What are those sensors? These are lie in the domain of electro-optical sensors, day camera, night camera, laser rangefinder, and fire control computing device, electro-optical. Second is infrared. Third is radars operating in the frequency band of 6 to 15 megahertz. All these can detect small RCS threat. And once these threats are detected, they can be taken on.